You know, the people who will be benefited by your effort, by your time, by your dedication, they are people na nagsasuffer from housing insecurities. Dito sa Philippines, we have a housing scarcity for about 6.8 million.
The reason why we're here, as a company, we believe in improving lives every single day. That we're going to be able to make an impact on lives by changing the way things are in our communities where we work and live.
We are working together with the city government of Valenzuela to help build this particular community.
In this case, we're actually partnering with the families that who will live here. So there's labor equity from both the families and from the Cardinal Health employees. So I think that really makes it different.
This is very, very special to us. I feel like we are doing more impact by building homes, not only for habitat, and I think most especially the impact to our employees, and they're having fun while they're doing all the construction work.
Building houses is not just, building physical structures, it's building memories for people. It's building their dignity from the ground up, and it's something that I always would really want to be involved in anytime.
With our small effort, we were able to permanently help and provide homes for the community.
The sight of a lot of Cardinal employees working together for one goal, that says a lot about camaraderie and unity. It's a testament of what our mission and our vision is as a team and as a work group.
Kahit mainit, kahit mahirap, kahit hindi kayo sanay sa trabahong ganito, so nandito pa rin kayo. Malaking bagay po sa amin yon. Thank you po. Huwag po kayong magsawang tumulong.
The home is more than just the shelter. The home is the centerpiece of that family's activities. It is going to be the key to their success.
This activity is not going to be ended here. This is just starting, and it could be continue in the future engagement also.
Habitat for Humanity is extremely grateful for the contributions rendered by Cardinal Health, most especially the volunteers who came here today to continue working on the housing units for the Valenzuela housing project.
Thank you for pursuing that mission of helping improve lives every single day.